there are additional options for each of these equations. For instance, let's first move out of the way this inequality, and let's play just with the 5x plus 3 equals 12. Now if I click on the equation and go to the drop-down menu, I now have a new option called Math Actions. Within it I have several new things that I can do depending on what type of equation I have. Let's begin with the Simplify Numerically. When I click Simplify Numerically, it is going to go through and solve the equation I have for that variable. Now it skips all the steps, goes directly to the decimal value, in this case, which is 1 8/10. If I want to change my equation, it will not automatically change the Simplify Numerically, so I do need to delete that if I want to add in and change my equation to something more complex. It will recognize squared, so if I just change this to 5x squared plus 3, or let's make it one that we know will actually work out to give us positive and negative values. So let's see. If we change this to 2, and we change this to 21, now when I go through and do the math application Simplify Numerically, it goes through, it subtracts the 3, divides by 2, and takes the square root. And one of the things that it does recognize in the numerical is that when you take a square root, you get two values, both the positive and negative of that value. In this case, that should be positive 3 and negative 3. That can be great for students to actually come up and check and make sure that they are getting both values depending on what you are doing. Now, just like anything else, it does have some limitations. For instance, if I go here and try to change the equality to an inequality, I'm going to lose my ability to do simplification of everything with math actions. Math actions is only for equations. It cannot be done with inequalities, unfortunately.